Commercial real estate is on the verge of collapsing, and here's why. Back in 2020, a lot of people were buying real estate and they were buying it on 3 to 5 year balloons. What this means is that companies would buy a commercial property, they would pay interest only for 3 to 5 years, and then at the maturity of that loan, they'd have to pay the remainder or refinance the property for a better interest rate or a similar one. What happened was people were buying commercial real estate when interest rates are at 2 and 3%. Here we are 4 and 5 years later, where they actually have to refinance the property, and it goes from cash flowing to not cash flowing at all. By doing so, it creates a situation where banks are holding a bag of negative equity because properties that were worth $1 million are now worth $700,000. When people can't service their debt, the banks foreclose on them and the banks hold the bad debt. When banks can't pay for that bad debt or can't cover that bad debt because they're over leveraged like everyone else, then they need a bailout. If they don't get a bailout, they close their doors and that bad debt is sold and monopolized to a bigger banks such as JP Morgan or Bank of America. A lot of people did not realize the systemic issues that could come from this commercial balloon payment system. So now that people can't service their commercial debt, they are now going into foreclosure, which is going to leave a huge opportunity for young investors to start buying commercial real estate at a very good price. So if you're looking to get into the real estate space, residential is not always the best space to be in. Commercial is starting to look more and more appealing if you have the capability to generate capital. If you like the information you're hearing, make sure to like and follow for more, and we'll jump into this more over the next couple weeks.